Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to make an animated logo using Adobe After Effects. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Okay, let's get started. We'll use ready-made templates to make the logo. Search Mixkit website on Google. Mixkit website provide lots of free resources like free video, music, sound effect, and templates. Write logo in search bar under After Effect and get the free logos. Then click the desired one and logo template will be automatically downloaded.
After downloading, go to install Adobe After Effects software. If you don't have already, then find link in description for free downloading cracked version.
Open After Effects and click the new project. Now, let's import our logo into After Effects. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into the project panel or by going to File and selecting Import. Once you have imported the logo, drag it into the composition. Open the downloaded template, click the logo and replace with the template. After making few adjustments, you can export the logo in Adobe Media Encoder. Get the software link in description. After exporting, go to Media Encoder and find the downloaded file. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.